In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the forecast function to predict the future outcomes based on historical trends. Let's get started. Here we have a simple data set with year-wise income for each customer from several past records. Now we want to forecast the yearly income for the next 5 years. To predict the desired income, we will use the forecast function. Here's how. After pressing enter, Excel provides the forecasted outcome for the next 5 years. And just like that, we have predicted future trends with the forecast function. If this video was helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to Skill Exceed for more easy Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.